In 2013, a seed of curiosity took root in Zibo, driven to explore the unknown. Built on the conviction of no limits ahead. Driven to become a global leader in all-terrain power and performance. From that starting point, we've been crossing geographical frontiers to define the true meaning of freedom. From vision to reality, deeply rooted in industry, reaching toward our dreams. GBB-THRAX, engineered for the challenge. Our journey begins by conquering every inch of the earth. Mud seals, built for the mire, defiant against every obstacle. Pro and Plus, from precision handling to the pinnacle of single-seat performance. (1000cc) of raw power, the very heartbeat of the machine. FX400 Predator. The apex has arrived, redefining the UTV standard. Whether sharing the thrill in a four-seater or charging through the snow, even in the quietest corners, the EV series explores in silence. Innovation is our DNA, housed within 20,000 square meters of intelligent manufacturing. The core, heart. In-house developed engines and powertrain systems. Every vehicle is a rigorous tribute to engineering aesthetics. A hunter in the woods, a guardian on the farm. Fueling childhood discovery with the Kid Series, a rugged companion for the whole family. Strategically located near Qingdao Port, connecting Chinese excellence to the world. Spanning 5 continents, from the Americas and Europe to the Middle East. A trusted partner for global dealers, co-creating long-term growth. Moving further, exploring the possibilities yet to be seen. GBB-THRAX, no limits ahead.